GM guys, my name is Swam Karle. I am a team member of Rizzling Devs, or team leader is Abhishek Yadav. My another partner is Anuradha Naidu, and another team member is Vivek Sahu. So here is our project ReliefDao, which aims to provide funds in any situation possible, even if there is a power outage or even if there is a war or any kind of situation. First of all, I would like to show you how the UI works, how UI looks. So this is our ReliefDao logo, and this is the connected wallet address. And this is here to secure yourself or secure your family or secure your members. Now on the below there is a testimonials like who we have been working with. Anyone can contact us via this page. Then we have a newsletter about the war situations or anyone who wanna fund fund a particular DAO contract to help people, and this is the below basic photo section. So let's head out to the main functionality. First of all, I would like to show you some TFL, total funds log. So this is just a small number that can be shown, that has been shown by a contract. Then this is a tokens. We can integrate multiple tokens in a single DAO contract. Means basically a single DAO contract can take multiple tokens as a stake and give funds to the people. So I would also like to explain how this thing works. So first of all, any user who wants to secure himself or secure his family can buy buy a token, any particular token. For right now, we have user STK sample token, in which he can buy suppose 1000 tokens, and he will give access to a particular smart contract of DAO, that in the worst situation that smart contract will be able to access his token, and he will be able to fetch those tokens on the behalf of him. What will that DAO will do is he will take those tokens from him, and then those tokens will be converted into hard cash and will be given to but that particular person in the war and outrageous situation. The This function can be also pulled by his friends, his brother or his family, any member who has an access to his allowance function. So let's head out to the secure yourself function. So this is a simple token, his user info, his wallet address, how much balance he has. And just right now we are testing, hence we had a couple of tokens loss here. So we can also add the trustworthy parties over here, just as I show you. Like suppose that uh, I am trusting on this particular account account to address or a pool account address. Then I add him as a brother. Add brother function. Here we go. Paste. Add brother. Pending transaction. And now this add brother has been added to the function. Like I can trust on him. As you can see, this transaction has been successfully minted, and if we want to look at whose brother, then we can do it by just pasting it over here and just call the brother. No, not like this, not like this. we have to use we have to use the particular function, like particular contract of account one only. So pasting over here, brother. Wait a second. So I will add the trustworthy address over here. Add trustworthy. The transaction will be processed. instruct the transaction. Yes, confirm. Now we can check if it's working or not. Just a second. Now as you can see, the trusted address has been added successfully, and then we can transfer a particular amount of funds from one person to another person. Suppose that I have to transfer two amounts of funds to this address, so let's go and transfer. Okay, so we are not on the perfect contract. We should be here. Now we will click on transfer function. The window has been popped up. Confirm. You have one pending transaction. Cool, no worries. As we are doing a test net. Then if the transaction has been confirmed, we can also check if that recipients actually got that token or not. Let's go and check it out for self. So the address was this, right? Just we're gonna copy this address. Gonna go back to the main account. Check the balance of particular address. Paste balance of, and just exactly what we got, that balance. Add is 222 plus 222, that equals to 444. Then we have so many other functionalities on this DAO, such as allowance, in which we can fetch the amount of people who has allowed to the funds, then like how many trustworthy people we have. Then we have approve funds. So what approve funds is basically, we can give approve to the multiple parties to spend our tokens on behalf of us, but in that case they will have direct access to the account, like the funds. But in case of permit and deposit, like I will show you, in case of permit we will be giving the DAO contract address here. So our DAO contract address is here, right? So who's gonna actually, holders whose spend you wanna use, means whose spend you wanna use. I will be giving mine. Yes, of course you only can give yourself only. Then permit amount, suppose that I have to give 345, 3455 suppose, then I can give permit. Transaction has been popped. Confirm. Let's check if the that particular contract or has actually got the address or not. So let's go and check the allowance. So here's the allowance function. Here's the on main account 0077, and this 0E7 is the contract of account of simple DAO. Let's go. Let's again copy paste over here. The call will be more cause we just try. Yes, the, as you can see, the value is more cause we have tried it multiple times. Then let's head out to the deposit function. If I call this deposit function with suppose 345 or 347 amount, and I call this holder key his funds, and anyone of the people like his trustworthy or any party can call this function. If suppose that key I want key my friend 0071 wants tokens to get in the DAO contract so that he can get help, then I will click on deposit. Same function will pop it up. Confirm. Yes, let's go. It's working, 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 working. And it's taking a lot of time. It's taking a lot of time, I guess. Yes, the deposit has been confirmed. So how's gonna we check? How we gonna check, right? So we go to Remix IDE, then we will go to deposit. No, not deposit. We're gonna check if the particular deposit, like my this holder's address, does have any deposit in the contract or not. We're gonna call it. Yes, exactly. The value has been added and it's greater than 345, 591, and this is only the basic functionality. We can implement so many functionality just, but as of time constraint, we have implement limited amount of functionalities right now. So we have so many things, like we also have the thing ki how the DAOs actually gonna create the proposal to spend this monies. The DAO will be able to vote with it within each other. They, for the execution also, they also need some proposals things or proposal votes satisfied. Then in the my token also we have a lot of functions that we can implement in front end, but as a time constraint we have tried to do our best. We also really tried to make our response website responsive. So I will also like to show my our responsiveness to, like in home page, like you can see iPhone SE, we have beautiful UI filled with everything. The contact us page and subscribe also working. Cool, cool. Then for the part of secure account, then it is also little bit messy right now, but we will fixing it soon. That's it. Thank you.